How do you like my new gas mask? It's actually old, but Czechoslovakian military from cheaperthandirt.com. Military surplus. Try and protect my face from this and the dust. Anyway, quarter's done. Quarter pail almost done. Just gotta fucking get it to mate with that now. Everything else is good. Alright. Get the final build up over here. And once that sets up, and I will take it down and it's ready for priming. This here I can't prime over here. I gotta flip the car around. So we're gonna shoot the roof, the trunk, we're gonna shoot, yeah, I'm gonna shoot from here on top. We're gonna shoot on top, all the way down. And we're gonna do the lip all the way around. And we're gonna shoot this, we're gonna shoot this, and we're gonna shoot this. All at once. Tomorrow. It's 11 o'clock. We'll never get to it. And I'll see how these guys can wear these fucking things and fucking starving. And he's trying to talk. Anyway, that's the weekend update.